Never night when the wind wants to come. Let my body frozen dead inside, just listen to it right outside the window. There were days when the sun was so full, but until turns to clouds, we say it's still in fire, but crying up forever. I've seen it crying in the instant that you left, and I can't remember where or when or how. And a burning every memory when I had ever made. But when you touch me like this, and you hold me like that, and you have to admit that it's all coming back to me. When you touch you like this, and you hold you like that, it's hard to believe that it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back to me now. There were moments of gold and there were flashes of light. There were things I'll never do again, but they always seemed right. There were nights of endless pleasure. There was more than any love. Hello, baby, I kiss you like this, and if you whisper like that, you're not gonna go, but it's for coming back to me. If I want me like this, and then you meet me like that, it was not long ago, but it's all coming back to me. It's hard to resist when it's all coming back to me. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me now. But it's all coming back. Will you touch you like this? And you kiss me like that? It's a long ago, but it's all coming back to me. If you touch me like that, and if I kiss you like that, it was so